Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlink Exness from MetaTrader 5. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open your MetaTrader 5 app. 2. Go to Settings, located in the bottom right corner. 3. Click on your current account at the top. 4. Switch to the Exness account. 5. After switching, go back to Settings and click on your Exness account at the top. 6. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option to Delete Account. 7. Click on Delete and confirm your action. That's it. Now your Exness account is unlinked from MetaTrader 5. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.